Electrolux dishwasher drainage problems are among the most common appliance issues, accounting for nearly 40% of all service calls. This section will guide you through diagnosing and resolving the most frequent drainage causes. Before beginning any dishwasher repair, safety must be your first priority. Always disconnect both the electrical power and water supply to prevent accidents or damage. Begin your diagnosis with a visual inspection. Look for standing water in the bottom of the dishwasher and check for any obvious debris. Modern Electrolux models display specific error codes that help identify drainage issues. Clogged filters are the leading cause of drainage problems, accounting for 45% of all cases. The filter assembly typically includes three components: a cylindrical filter, a coarse filter, and a fine filter. To clean the filters, first remove the bottom dish rack completely. Unscrew the cylindrical filter by turning it counterclockwise, then lift out the coarse and fine filters as an assembly. Clean all components thoroughly with warm water and a soft brush, avoiding harsh chemicals that could damage the filters. The drain hose is another critical component to inspect. Check for kinks, clogs, or improper routing. Most importantly, ensure the hose has a proper high loop positioned at least 20 inches above the floor to prevent dirty water from backing up into the dishwasher. If your dishwasher connects to a garbage disposal, this connection is often an overlooked source of drainage problems. According to experienced technicians, 70% of perceived dishwasher drainage issues are actually related to garbage disposal problems, not the dishwasher itself. These initial diagnostic steps address the most common causes of Electrolux dishwasher drainage problems. By following proper safety procedures, checking error codes, cleaning filters, inspecting the drain hose, and verifying garbage disposal operation, you can resolve the majority of drainage issues without professional service. When cleaning filters and inspecting the drain hose doesn't resolve drainage issues, the problem likely lies with the drain pump itself. This requires more advanced troubleshooting techniques. The first step in pump assessment is gaining access to the drain pump. This requires removing the bottom panel of your Electrolux dishwasher to expose the internal components. Once you have access to the pump, carefully inspect the impeller for foreign objects. Common culprits include bones, glass fragments, utensils, and other debris that can jam the pump mechanism. If no obstructions are found, the next step is testing the pump motor's electrical continuity using a multimeter. This determines whether the motor has failed internally. When the pump motor fails the continuity test, replacement becomes necessary. A new Electrolux drain pump assembly typically costs between $150 and $250, plus installation labor. Electrolux continues to innovate with advanced dishwasher technology. Newer models feature self-cleaning filtration systems, enhanced pump designs that reduce clogging by 25%, and smart diagnostics capabilities. There's a growing trend toward DIY repairs, with 65% of consumers attempting self-repair before calling professionals. Regular preventive maintenance remains crucial for extending your dishwasher's lifespan. Advanced troubleshooting of Electrolux dishwasher drainage issues requires systematic pump assessment, proper testing techniques, and understanding of modern diagnostic capabilities. With proper maintenance and the right approach, most drainage problems can be resolved effectively.